Hey there! Do you want to learn how to edit an Excel name range in Microsoft Excel? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to teach you about editing and deleting Excel name ranges in Microsoft Excel. So watch this video till the end to learn all about this. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 112 and we are learning the conditional functions in Microsoft Excel. I want to talk about one more thing about name ranges and then we'll start to use them and utilize them. So in the last video we learned all about Excel name ranges, how do we create it, and what are the advantages of it, what are the disadvantages of it, where should you use it, where should not you use it, right? So today I want to talk about one more thing about name ranges and also then we'll start to utilize them, right? The question that I get asked quite a bit is that I have created name ranges or a name range, I have used it and they are great, but how do I make edits to it? Perhaps I reference the wrong cells, or I need to increase or decrease the reference within the name range, or I want to change its name, right? Or where can I find all the name ranges within an Excel workbook? Well, here it is. So I'm still inside the exercise 103 advanced exercise file and I'm into the if function worksheet. I have created my week 1 name range, right? And I have then used it again and again. So these are all incorrect values. So I should delete those out. Okay, and we can fix those later. But what I want to do now is, what if I want to change the reference? Like it should not be B5 to B9, maybe it should be B5 to B7 or B5 to B20 or whatever I want to change to be. Well, to make the edit, we are not going to go back to the name box because that's how you can create name ranges. Well, to make the edit, we are not going to go back to the name box, right? Because that's how you can create the name ranges. So here you can go and create the name ranges, but to edit you should not go to the name box. Okay, so I'm going to go to my formula tab, top of my screen, and on my formula tab I got a section called define names, and inside there are several operations, but one of them is name manager. So I can give that name manager a click and this will open up my name manager window, and within there I can see that I actually have a couple of name ranges in this workbook. Okay, these are a couple that are broken. This pound ref, those are broken. Somebody deleted them, deleted a worksheet, got rid of the range, whatever it was, that no longer works now. So I can actually delete names from here. So what I'll do, I'll just select gross margin and I'll hit delete button. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, and it's gone. I'm going to delete out the list as well. Delete. Yep, let's get rid of that. Okay, and now I have just got a week 1 in there, what I created earlier in the last video. If you have already missed to watch that video, I've given the link at the top of this video. Just go ahead and watch that video. Okay, so I can just select that one and from there I can hit edit. So I can also see down below what its references are and I can make the edits right there, right? But all through this interface here you can interact, make edits, delete, and even create new ones, new name ranges, all through the name manager. So remember, all I did was go to the formula tab, go to define names. Under the define name section, go to the name manager and you will find them all right there. So try this out. Hop up to the formula tab, go to the name manager. You can get rid of the broken ones that are part of this exercise file. You can see week 1 inside there, and if you created others you would be able to modify them. You will be able to even delete them and even create new ones from the name manager window. So that's all for today. That's a small information that I wanted to give you in this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns regarding this video, then please let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.